Use appropriate fixings to fix track mount to stud work. Ensure 82 mm and 32 mm gaps between aluminum track and structural opening to allow installation of trolley assemblies. Use appropriate fixings to fix sole plate to the floor. Top Z section must be on the outside of the lower Z section. Pilot through Z sections where they overlap. Use appropriate fixings to fix metal floor guide to the floor. Ensure door is installed securely and running free without obstruction. Install intumescent strips into preformed slots in the cassette, closing, and head jambs. Use appropriate fixings to fix closing jamb to stud work. Position end stops and fix into required position before installing and tensioning the spring. Clad the kit in a first layer of 12.5 mm plasterboard. Ensure it butts up level and tight against all jambs. Before screwing into place, pilot through the plasterboard and Z section. Cut the top piece profile to clear opening width, plus 140 mm for overlaps. Cut 70 mm off each end as shown. Clad the kit in a final layer of plasterboard as before, butting the sheets up to the pre-formed sections. Ensure no screws protrude into the pocket cavity.